In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach Etsy support services efficiently. Whether you're an Etsy seller or a buyer who needs some assistance, navigating through Etsy's support system is made simple with this straightforward guide. Let's dive in and get you the help you need. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Etsy's website. It might sound basic, but this is the home base for everything we're going to be doing today. So, type etsy.com into your address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on Etsy's homepage, surrounded by a multitude of unique and handcrafted assortments to explore. But for now, let's focus on finding support. Now, once you're on Etsy's homepage, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Don't worry, this might take just a few quick flicks of your mouse wheel or trackpad. As you scroll, you'll bypass a host of enticing categories and curated picks. Keep going until you reach the bottom, because that's where you'll find some of Etsy's key resources. Upon reaching the bottom, you'll notice various links that cater to different aspects of Etsy's services. What we're interested in is the Help Center. Click on the Help Center link, and you'll be directed to a page bursting with resources aimed at resolving a wide array of issues, from account management to order queries. Once you're in the Help Center, scroll down again. It's quite straightforward, but don't rush. There's a lot of helpful information here, so take a moment if anything catches your eye. Your target here is the Contact Etsy Support link. It's usually situated toward the lower part of the Help Center page, ready to direct you to the precise assistance you might be needing. Click on Contact Etsy Support, and with that, you've accessed Etsy's support system. This page is your portal to getting the specific help you require, whether it's through direct messaging, email, or even a phone conversation if necessary. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated through Etsy's system, and you've reached the point where you can now access their support services. Remember, Etsy is known for its friendly and helpful community, so reaching out is encouraged whenever you run into a hiccup or need a bit more guidance. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you feel more confident in reaching out to Etsy's support team whenever the need arises. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.